Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with a very beautiful, classy, elegant, and easy collection of hand embroidery designs for beginners. Guys, today's video contains beautiful, simple, easy, beginner friendly hand embroidery designs. All of these are floral embroidery designs, or you can say floral embroidery motifs, which could be designed for different type of DIY type of designing items, ranging from dress designing to moving towards home decor ideas. And before going into the further details, I request you to please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to like my video and leave comments in the video that what you want us to share with you in our new and upcoming videos. So guys, let's move back towards our main content. That is, which type of embroidery stitches are being used to embroider the whole floral embroidery pattern, which is being shown to you onto your screens right now. Then, guys, the answer to this question is you can use Boolean knots, French knot, lazy daisy, satin stitch, forward stitch, chain stitch, stem stitch, and many more other creativities as per your own choice. Simple and easy beginner-friendly stitches make these designs much more appealing and attractive. And we never reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose and motive of making designs, collections, and sharing design ideas with you is to share creativity with the persons or with the community who like the work of hand embroidery, hand art, thread work. So I hope that you are getting the point. And if we talk about which type of thread would be favorable to design these embroidery patterns, then I would recommend you to use Anchor or DMC for making these whole embroidery patterns. If you use DMC, I would recommend to use double strands of DMC along with the needle size 7. And if we talk about the thread, and then you can also use silky threads for shiny look, and for a more thicker, fuller look, you can use wool for embroidering these patterns. And if we talk about the fabric, then you can use any type of fabric. But if you are a beginner, then I would recommend you to use some solid, some thick fabric so that chances of more neatness could be there. And if you are already trained hand embroidery artist, then you can use chiffon and other sensitive fabrics. Thank you so much for watching.